I'm Jen McClure. I was a student here from 2002 to the fall of 2004, and then I worked here in the Performing Arts division as the assistant technical director and the technical director in the theater. So I was a ceramics major, and I focused in ceramics and sculpture. But then my campus job was here in the theater. So that gave me a really good foundation for learning how to do a little bit about everything that we do in the theater. So I painted, I did props, that was kind of my focus, but I learned how to be a carpenter. I hung lights, I hung speakers, I put up seating banks, which gave me a really wonderful foundation for then working in bigger theaters, learning how to do stuff in a small, really supportive environment here. Currently, I am the Associate Chair of Technical Design and Production, as well as the Properties Supervisor for the David Geffen School of Drama at Yale. And so I manage the prop shop there, and then I teach a couple of classes in properties design as well as decorative styles history. So I'm here this weekend to do a big 3-session workshop on blood effects for the stage. So a bunch of years ago, in maybe 2014, I wrote a book about blood effects for the stage. And I had done a lot of that at the theaters that I had worked at before, and so I had heard from the folks here that there's a couple of shows this year that have blood effects in them, and so they invited me back to come and do a workshop on being able to teach the students and the staff how to kind of maneuver blood effects for theater in general. And then I'm hoping to meet with the creative staff of those shows to kind of give them some ideas about how to solve the effects for their specific shows. So we're going to go through how to make a blood recipe, how to deliver that, how to put the apparatus in costumes, how to kind of create different looks. And then we're also going to go through fake wounds and how to create some sort of, low-level theater prosthetics. I'm just so excited to be back here. Driving through town, it's so fun to see kind of what is still here and what has changed. This magical little valley just holds a wonderful place in my heart that, again, just being back here makes me really excited.